Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. In one of my classes this week, we ended up talking about food and diet and whether or not people cook from scratch every day, or they order takeaways, or they microwave processed meals, and so on. And in one of the breakout rooms, one student asked the oldest member of the group if she still watched what she ate. And her response was rather wonderful. I can't be bothered with all that kind of thing, came the reply. I'm not as vain as I used to be. To be honest, I'm past caring. If you say you're past caring, you mean you're too old or too tired or too annoyed or too unhappy to care about what happens in the future. So you might use this phrase, for example, when you're watching a film and the plot has become very convoluted. It's very difficult to follow. Your friend might ask you who a certain character is or what you think's going on, and you might respond by saying, "Ugh, I'm past caring. I honestly don't care at all anymore. Who does what to who? I'm going to bed." You might also use it in a relationship. If you're having an argument with your partner and they apologise for their bad behaviour. If you're at the point where you've really had enough and you're really fed up with things, you might just say, "Do you know what? I don't care anymore. I'm past caring." You might also use it to talk about a sports team you've followed for many years who are having a truly disastrous season. Your friends or your neighbours might ask you if you've been following the team and watching how they're doing, and you might respond by saying, "Do you know what? This season, I'm past caring. I'm just waiting for this year to end and next season to begin." If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people find out about what we do. Please share it with your friends, your colleagues and your students. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you think you might use past caring.